Okay, what's up guys, this is Mancer, and today I'm going to be with my friend Ryan, and I'm going to show you his motorbike. Now, there it is, 2-stroke, and it's 85cc, so pretty nice, and yeah, and it's cool. Look, I know you guys like wanna see me riding a lot, but on Saturday or next week I'll be riding. So if you want to see that video, you can just have a look when you go on YouTube. But I'm not going to be doing a video of me riding it today. But I will be doing one soon. Okay. Smile. Okay, see you guys. Bye. Don't forget to leave a like.
And if you really liked it, subscribe.
Bye.